Drink. I drink coffee daily. I drink coffee daily.
I am drinking coffee now. I am drinking coffee now.
Lunch. We have lunch at noon. We have lunch at noon.
We are having lunch now. We are having lunch now.
Teach. He teaches math. He teaches math.
He is teaching now. He is teaching now.
Travel. They travel in summer. They travel in summer.
They are traveling now. They are traveling now.
Write. I write daily. I write daily.
I am writing now. I am writing now.
Call. We call family often. We call family often.
We are calling now. We are calling now.
Learn. I learn skills online. I learn skills online.
I am learning now. I am learning now.
Care. He cares for pets. He cares for pets.
He is caring now. He is caring now.
Play. We play board games. We play board games.
We are playing now. We are playing now.
Run. He runs every morning. He runs every morning.
He is running now. He is running now.
Cook. He cooks dinner nightly. He cooks dinner nightly.
He is cooking now. He is cooking now.
Walk. I walk in the park. I walk in the park.
I am walking now. I am walking now.
Read. They enjoy reading. They enjoy reading.
They are reading now. They are reading now.
Letter. They write letters. They write letters.
They are writing now. They are writing now.
Dance. She likes to dance at parties. She likes to dance at parties.
She is dancing now. She is dancing now.
Exercise. She exercises at the gym. She exercises at the gym.
She is exercising now. She is exercising now.
Clean. She cleans her room weekly. She cleans her room weekly.
She is cleaning now. She is cleaning now.